Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated supercars of the year, the 2025 Lamborghini. This beast is not just about looks, it's about performance, innovation, and redefining what it means to drive a supercar. Starting with the design, Lamborghini has truly outdone themselves with this model. The 2025 Lamborghini sports a sleek aerodynamic body with sharp lines and a bold stance that commands attention everywhere it goes. The iconic scissor doors are, of course, here to stay, adding that unmistakable Lamborghini flair, but the real highlight is the new color options and carbon fiber accents that give it a fresh, futuristic look. Now let's talk about the engine, because Lamborghini has packed some serious power under the hood. This model comes with a revamped V12 engine that delivers mind-blowing horsepower and torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds thanks to its advanced all-wheel drive system and lightweight chassis. Lamborghini has made sure that this car not only looks fast but truly delivers speed and performance on a whole new level. Inside the 2025 Lamborghini, you're surrounded by luxury and cutting-edge technology. The seats are made with high-quality leather and Alcantara, providing both comfort and style. The dashboard features a fully digital display with customizable settings so you can keep track of speed, navigation, and other performance metrics. At a glance, Lamborghini has also integrated advanced AI systems and driver assistance features to enhance both safety and convenience, whether you're on the open road or navigating city streets. And for tech lovers, Lamborghini has incorporated smartphone connectivity and a premium sound system to make every drive an immersive experience. From the roar of the engine to your favorite playlist, this car turns every journey into something unforgettable. What really sets the 2025 Lamborghini apart, though, is the brand's dedication to innovation. They've improved fuel efficiency and introduced hybrid options to provide that Lamborghini power with a bit more eco-friendliness. So not only do you get a car that screams performance and style, but you also get one that aligns with the future of sustainable driving. So who is this car for? If you're someone who craves power, luxury, and the thrill of a true supercar experience, then the 2025 Lamborghini is definitely worth checking out. With its groundbreaking technology, breathtaking design, and unmatched performance, it's a car that's built to impress from the second you start the engine. Thanks for tuning in. Let us know in the comments what feature of the 2025 Lamborghini excites you the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest in automotive innovation. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep dreaming and keep driving.